A motorcycle ride from Hollywood to the Malibu Pacific Coast Highway, right through the beautiful Malibu Hills. Let's go! Some days are just perfect. Everything clicks in place. This was one such day. We planned a motorcycle ride shoot on the PCH or the Pacific Coast Highway in Malibu. Malibu is just north of Los Angeles. There is a famous biker bar on the PCH, Neptune's Net. You might have heard of it. So now this is Los Angeles. This is where Hollywood is, and this is approximately where Malibu is. This is the ocean and that's the land. So, and the Pacific Coast Highway goes up like that, all the way up to Canada. So we left Hollywood and we took the 101 Ventura Freeway, the Hollywood Freeway, went a little north and then west towards Malibu. And at a certain point, we took an exit called Kanaan Road. On Kanaan Road, we go right through the Malibu mountains, all the way down to the PCH. It's a beautiful ride. There is a saying, today is the day to have a perfect day. Let's make each and every day a perfect day. Keep riding, my friends, safely and have fun. Till next time. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Nomad Rides. The subscribe button is at the bottom right of each video. Like us, ring the bell, subscribe. It goes a long way to help us create more content.